Welcome, my name is Luis Borrero. I am the author of Classical Drawing here on Udemy. In this new course, I'd like to share with you the techniques of the old masters. This course is designed to teach the student the manufacture and the application of the lost techniques of the masters, such as Silverpoint, quill drawing, red chalk drawing, and the three crayon technique used by 18th century French artists. The course contains a full curriculum with figure drawings, examples, and demonstrations that guide the student through 400 years of drawing techniques used by the old masters. The course is designed for students at an intermediate level or beginner, and by the end of the course, the student will develop a vocabulary of wonderful techniques to use in their own works. For those of you that are interested in following me in social media, you can find me at luisborreroart.com or through my YouTube channel, Luis Borrero Visual Artist. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure to write me here on the Udemy blog.